I attend the TLT Symposium every year because it is one of the best ways I know to stay up to date on trends with teaching, learning, and technology, and to be in conversation with other people who are also excited about innovating and experimenting, all in the name of student success. During the semester, I find it so hard to create space to learn, reflect, and talk about big ideas with other people. The TLT Symposium is that space for me, and I am so grateful that it exists.
Oftentimes we think of technology as being a foundational skill for teaching in the 21st century. What's important is the teaching and learning, and technology is a tool that can help amplify and give agency to students and teachers and help to equal the playing field for all learners.
Technologies are constantly evolving, but we can count on the symposium to be a place where we have fun while thinking critically about the implications of technology on teaching and learning.
From my perspective, the value is establishing a community of practice that embraces the centrality of technology in teaching, learning, research, and outreach.
A community of practice is only as good as its members, and its members need to be continually renewed, and we're renewed with new and diverse perspectives. So the message is simple. Welcome. You're needed, you're wanted, and together we can change the world.